Yes. Hello, students. Today's our topic is vitamins. In previous videos, I have explained about the components of foods. As I have told you, there are many components of foods. These components of foods are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, waters, roughage or dietary foods. So in these, one by one already I have explained in previous videos. Already I have discussed about the vitamins. What is the vitamins? Vitamins is a very necessary components of foods. What gives us vitamins? Already I have told you, vitamins can be denoted by the alphabetic letters A, B, C, D, K, like this. If any one objects, any one food parts give more than one or two vitamins, or any one vitamins having representing two types, three types vitamins, so we will symbolize that vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B4, like this. Okay. So in these topics, vitamins, what is the importance of vitamins A? What is the importance of vitamin B1? What is the importance of vitamin C? What is the importance of vitamin D? Different things I will discuss here. So vitamin A. Vitamin A. What is the importance of vitamin A? So vitamin A is necessary for our good eyesight, healthy skin and hair. Means you should keep in your mind, if vitamin A, due to the lack of vitamin A in your bodies, then our eyesight will be defected. Hair, skin will be not healthy. So vitamin A is necessary for our eyesight, good healthy bodies, skins and hairs. So vitamin A necessary for eyesight, healthy skin, necessary for eyesight, healthy skin and hair. It is the importance of vitamin A. But what is the sources of vitamin A? So, you should know about the vitamins A. How will you get vitamin A? So, sources of vitamin A. Sources of vitamin A. What is sources of vitamin A? We can get vitamin A from the butter, milk, carrot, fish liver oil, eggs, green vegetables, mango, papaya, all these things give us vitamin A. Means milk, eggs, papaya, mango, fish liver oil, carrot, butter, all these things provide vitamin A. So it is the importance of vitamin A and necessary of vitamin C. So next, vitamin B1. What is the importance of vitamin B1? Vitamin B1. So importance of vitamin B1 is essential for growth and proper functioning of the digestive system and bones and muscles. Nerve systems. Means if vitamin B1, due to the lack of vitamin B1, we will defected from the nervous system, nerves, muscles systems, digestive system. Our digestive system is not proper functioning if vitamin B1 will be less. So due to the lack of vitamin B, it is the importance of vitamin B1 is the what? Essential of vitamin B1 is growth and proper functioning of digestive system. Growth and proper functioning of digestive system. Nerves and muscles also. Muscles. It is an essential and it is necessary for the vitamin B1. And what is the sources of vitamin B1? How will you get vitamin B1? We can get vitamin B1 from the whole grains, wheat, rice, grain. Also potatoes provides also vitamin B1. Yeast, green vegetables, milks, eggs also we can get from the milk and eggs vitamin B1. So sources of B1: milk, eggs, wheat, rice, potato, these are the sources of the vitamin B1. So vitamin B1. Vitamin A provides us what? Strong eyesight, healthy body, healthy skin and hair. And vitamin B1 provides us what? Nerves, proper functioning of digestive systems, growth and muscles, strong muscles. So after this vitamin A, vitamin B1, after this vitamin C. Vitamin C. What is the importance of vitamin C? So vitamin C is necessary for keeping teeth and gums, strong teeth and gums and joints healthy. Our bodies, bones. And vitamin C also increases the resistance of our body to infection and helps to fight diseases. Vitamin C, you can say vitamin C is the resistance of our body protect from the disease. From vitamin C we can protect our bodies from the disease, affected from the disease. So vitamin C is necessary for keeping teeth and gums. What is the importance of this? Keeping teeth and gums. Next, protects from disease. Disease means provide us energy. Vitamin C. And what is the sources of vitamin C? So vitamin C we can get from the lemon fruits, lemon, orange, lime, tomato, green vegetables, means all these fruits, lemon, lime, orange, these fruits is known as the citrus fruits. So vitamin C is what is the sources of vitamin C? Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits means lemon, orange. Also we can get vitamin C from the tomato, green vegetables. tomato, green vegetables. These are the sources of the vitamin C. Vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C. And next one, vitamin D. Vitamin D, what is the importance of vitamin D? So, vitamin D vitamin D. So, what is the importance of vitamin D? Vitamin D is necessary for the normal growth of bones and teeth. Vitamin C also keeping the teeth and gums, but vitamin D also growth for normal teeth and bones both. And it is the importance for the vitamin D is normal teeth and growth. It is the importance of vitamin D. Vitamin D we can get from the sun. So vitamin D we can get also from the milk, fish, liver oil, eggs, butter. Some vitamin D is also made in from the sun. So that's why our skin is exposed to the sunlight. So sources of vitamin D. Sources of vitamin D. Earlier I have told you what is the essential, what is the importance of vitamin D. Vitamin D is necessary for normal growth of bones and teeth. So vitamin D, important sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D we can get from the fish, eggs, milk, butter. Some vitamin D also we can get from the milk, butter. Some vitamins D can also get from sunlight. So from sunlight our skin be exposed from the sunlight. Which our skin is exposed. So it is the importance of vitamin D. So in this topic I have explained about the vitamins A, B1, C, D. After this, next topics I will explain about the minerals. In minerals is a very less amount in our body but very important things. About the minerals I will explain in next topics. So after minerals, water and roughage or dietary foods. So today our topics will be stopped here. Okay, thank you.